Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing laces and any inserts so you can access seams and tongue. Use the soft brush from the kit to sweep away loose dirt and grit. This prevents scratches when you apply cleaner. Apply a pea-sized amount of leather cleaner to the applicator cloth and work in small circles on one panel at a time. Once done, wipe excess with a clean cloth and let the leather dry briefly. Don't rush to conditioning while damp. Now you'll condition to replenish oils. Dab a thin line of Dr. Martens conditioner onto the applicator and distribute evenly. Use circular strokes to push product into pores and around stitching. This restores suppleness and prevents cracking. Make sure you treat the whole shoe in matching passes so color and sheen stay uniform. Once the conditioner sits for about 10 to 15 minutes, take the polishing brush and buff briskly to even out the finish and remove any residue for a clean, natural shine. Finish by applying a small amount of shoe polish with the cloth, working it in thin layers to build color rather than heavy coats. You'll get a smoother result. Buff vigorously with the brush for shine, then apply the included protector spray from about 6-8 inches to seal and repel water. If you find polish flaking or streaking, stop, remove excess with the cleaner, let dry, and restart with thinner layers. That fixes buildup without harming the leather.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.